Well, welcome back to my e-bike channel. Heading out on a ride in very cold weather. It's like in the 20s. And you'll notice this is a little bit faster than I normally ride. Well, it turns out when I got started, I wanted to make sure that the camera was working. So when I pushed the power record button, I held it down for a couple of seconds to make sure that the bike recorder was on. This turns out to be the results. No voice, all the talking I did, none of that's here. All I have is a very fast ride. It turns out that when you do that to a GoPro, when you hold the GoPro power or record button down for a couple of seconds, it puts it into time-lapse mode. And so I'm in time-lapse mode. So this ride that was a lot longer than this. And time-lapse mode is only 2 minutes. So this is hilarious to me. Here I forgot to shift gears, so I had to walk up the hill. But you notice I recovered really fast with this. I was very surprised. I did not know that this would happen. I wasn't even thinking that this was a possibility. I didn't even know that you could do this. But anyway, hopefully I'll get a real video out to y'all soon. So thanks for watching.